If you want to quickly open your Evernote notes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process for finding and opening any note in Evernote, whether you're using the desktop app, a mobile device, or the web version. This is a fast beginner-friendly guide, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click so you can get straight to the note you need. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, launch Evernote on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. If you prefer, you can also open your web browser and go to Evernote there. Once Evernote loads, you'll need to log into your account, enter your email and password, or sign in with your Google or Apple account if that's how you normally access Evernote. After you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. Now look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where Evernote keeps your main navigation options. To view all of your notes, click on Notes. This will bring up a list of all the notes you've created, making it easy to browse through everything in one place. If you prefer to organize your content by folder, you can click on Notebooks instead. That will show your notes grouped into specific notebooks, which is helpful if you keep different topics separated. Once you're in the Notes list or Notebook view, scroll through until you find the note you want to open. When you see the correct title, simply click it. If you're on a touchscreen device, tap the note title instead. Evernote will open that note in the main panel, where you can read it, edit it, or share it depending on what you need. If you have a lot of notes, you can also use the search bar to make things faster. Just type in a keyword, project name, or phrase from the note, and Evernote will narrow down the results so you can find the right one more quickly. This is especially useful if your notes are organized by topic, or if you haven't opened a note in a while. And that's really all there is to it. Open Evernote, sign in, go to Notes or Notebooks, and click the note title you want. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when you're trying to stay organized. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Evernote tutorials and other software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.